And that is your cylinders and spheres. You should have received this page in your first packet, and as you can see, it looks like some flat balls and a Pac-Man and a couple cylinders. Your job is to make these flat looking shapes look more three-dimensional. And as you can see, there are arrows pointing toward the shape. So what you're going to do is draw a light that's going to go right at the arrow. Right above here, you're going to draw a little teeny light, and then you're going to show me from the edge of that light. Here we have one that's done. So from the edge of the light that you've drawn, the little Fresnel, you're going to go to the edge and you're going to draw a line on each side and show the spread of the light across that circle. And then we're going to make a sphere out of it, a three-dimensional sphere, by shadowing the bottom where there is no light. And this would be considered what we call a soft edge. So the shadow is gradually going to get lighter and lighter until it gets into this area where it sees this light beaming down. And so you're going to follow the arrow that you see. Here's an arrow. On this side is the arrow. On this side is the arrow. So the arrow is where the light is going to be drawn, and you're going to then draw your spread, the spread of your light. Now this little Pac-Man is kind of tricked, so you need to think about this one. And in this case here we have a cylinder, which again we're seeing the light hitting a round surface, and it's showing how it's going to be lighted into shadow. This one's a little bit different, however. This is a light that is beaming down on the very top of a surface. So if you look at your table or your counter or wherever you are, and you can see the light hitting the top of the surface, then look at the side of the surface. So the light is hitting the top, and what we're seeing here is the flat side. This is what we would call a hard edge, where the light hits the shadow and there's no rounded area. And this tells our eye that this is a hard edge or a sharp edge. In this case, we have the light gradually moving down the cylinder, telling us that this is a soft edge. And let me know what you're going to do in this little area, if this is receiving light or not. That's your second homework assignment. This is a graded assignment. The first homework assignment, as you will recall, is your skeleton face, where you were to draw or color in each of the bones of your skull and the side view, both the profile and the front view. And if you would please take a picture of this when you're done, and you can send it to my Gmail, or you can send it to Canvas, and make sure you've marked that it's from you, and either put your name on it or write down that it's coming from you. That's our second homework assignment. Thank you very much.